Let me take you out to the camper ranch. And just let me show you around, because it is becoming that time of the year when you may just want something built. And I'm your builder, Rob the Rebuilder, you know. This guy, I never intended on taking it back to its original shape. I've come up with a shape that I think is just double cool. And so I'm going to do either one. I've kept the, well, you can't see it. I kept the templates for a couple of the previous trailers, the canned hams. I'll either do that, or I've got this real cool thing that I've drawn out. But cool trailer. I mean, it's every bit of 15, if it might even be a touch longer than that. It's a great size, has a potty closet, lots of windows, but you know how I feel about that. But anyway, I'm not even trying to sell you that one, because I want to do something cool with it. But if you're one of those cool type people, but then we got this 13 Scotty. This is that one that Nikki brought us. Don't you worry, I've got a brand new door being made for it. It's a 13. And it will not take long to build this guy, because look at that. It's already been broke down for us, just mostly. Full rebuild as always. Windows are good. Yeah, that's available. And then what about this? I think this is a 70 compact, Shasta compact. I mean, I know that for sure. And it's got good windows. It's good. It's good. I don't know. Can I even get in this one? Maybe not. But you know what it looks like. It looks terrible on the inside. But we don't care, because Rebuilder is in my name. But that's available. Just, you know, a couple of options. And, you know, things are coming and going every day. I wanted to show you what I've got in the camper ranch, because I mowed yesterday, so I'm kind of showing off a little bit. Let me, I want to show you one more thing. The sun is coming up. We're in the shop. We've got a full trailer there. We've got this full trailer here. Here's the thing. We're packed. It's spring. I've got to get this thing listed. I've got like 2 more things I have to do. One is done, marked off. It's Chris Abbey. Look at this. He built that kind of like an aircraft wing. It's about the coolest. It is by far the coolest rock guard ever. Don't worry about that dust. We work around here, but sweet rock guard. Painted it just a little darker than this, just so it stands off. You'll see it before long, the whole thing. But let me take you inside. It's going to get a little dark back here, but what would this episode be without a little... Ooh, doggy, can't wait for you to see the whole episode of this. All right, let me get back out here. Now, when I'm inside and I don't have it hooked up to electric, which many times I don't, I have to use this light here. And it's an okay light. It really is. And what I'm trying to do right now is I'm just making sure that everything is trimmed out. Every last piece is perfect and ready to go. Here's the problem. Let me turn this camera around and let me show you what the problem is. As I told you, this is the light that I use. And it's a good light, and that's very bright. But everywhere around, there's a shadow, except exactly where it's pointing at. And in these situations where I can't hook it up to the electric yet, so I can't use the lights that I've hooked up. So our friends over at JC-LGL sent me a 360 work light. Oh, but that's whatever. Let's just... Ooh. See, that's exactly what I'm talking about. And it has a spot on... Boy, that's so bright. A spot on each side to hook, but look at this. You can hook it on a cable, a pin, and it will stay on there. And right here, if you wanted to plug something else into it, you can, including several of these to make like a chain of these very, very bright lights. It's not overpowering at all, which I really like. This, if you look directly into it, overpowering. that I turned that down. So what I like about this is I could, if I wanted, hang it right there. And as you can see, 360. Everything is working. Now, I could tell you the lumens and all that, but I'll put that in the description. There's a link if you want to buy one. I think they've got a special price for Rob the Rebuilder viewers. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to set that down there a little bit for now. I was just kind of excited about that just because it's a round light and it is a work light, portable work light. I really like it. I hope you like it. If you do, link is in the description. And if you like this camper, be looking for it. I am going to price it right. It's going to be priced to sell because I'm tired of tripping over it. But they're always priced to sell. Anyway, I've got to switch out the tires on it because it's too tall to go in and out. Remember, this is the tall one. Listen, I think this is 6'3". 6'3". At least. So hey, if you're tall, this is the camper for you. Full-size bed. But anyway, that'll be taken care of at a later date. You'll see that video. So just wanted to show you something that I got that I thought was cool, and I wanted to share it with you. Plus, I wanted to tell you what else we got out in the camper ranch. So this was kind of a commercial for Rob the Rebuilder. So thank you, all of you.